Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and look at this gorgeous rug that I just got.
This moon phase rug from RORA is so beautiful. I have it in the 20 by 70 runner size, and I am completely obsessed with it. I love, love, love the colors of the different moon phases, how it has this beautiful yellow orange and these pink colors. It is so cushy and soft. I just want to lay on it forever. And it has this amazing non-slip bottom, so this rug is not going to go anywhere. I also really appreciate how they've made this rug machine washable, so if you have any mishaps with it, you can toss it right in. And look how absorbent this rug is. I poured a whole bunch of water over it and nothing is leaking through to the other side. You can see my floor is staying perfectly dry. So this makes it an amazing rug for somewhere like a bathroom, but it works for literally anywhere and is going to keep your floor protected, but also just looking so beautiful. I really recommend getting this rug. It is so nice.
If you're looking for a really beautiful, soft boho rug, you are absolutely going to love this one, and that's my point of view.